Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So 2024 was a pretty incredible year for astronomy, from multiple eclipses to comets and really good planetary news. It was just pretty amazing. So I'm going to go over everything awesome that happened this year. Let's get into it. So to start off the year, I had some good opportunities to capture deep sky objects like the Orion Nebula, and it was cold, but it was worth it. And going into March, we had Comet Pons Brooks, the first comet of the year. I think that only got up to like a magnitude 4, but it was still a pretty cool object, and it was really fun to find it in the eyepiece. On March 24th, we had a penumbral lunar eclipse, which was cool. I mean, not much to expect from that, but it was neat. April, we had one of the most incredible things I've ever seen, the total solar eclipse. I was not expecting for this to be so incredible to watch. So me and my family drove up to Plattsburgh to see it, and I set up my telescopes and my GoPro. We all had solar glasses to see the partial phases, and I remember as totality got closer, it got colder and colder, and it started to get darker. Also, the shadows of everyone and bushes and whatnot were also getting sharper, which was very interesting. So as totality approached, you could see the moon's shadow in the distance, and when it hit, it was just absolutely insane. Like, probably one of the coolest things I've ever seen. You could see the corona of the sun, and what made it even cooler were some thin clouds in the upper atmosphere, and it just was so cool. Like, I can't even describe how cool it was on the video. Yeah, and you could hear like crickets chirping, animals were acting up, and I'm just so lucky I was able to see it, and I was so close to the path of totality. If there's ever one near your area, you need to try to see it. So in May, I got some pretty cool pictures like of the Hercules star cluster and some other deep sky objects. Then June, nothing too interesting. July through August was the Perseids meteor shower, which is definitely the best meteor shower of the year because at the peak it's 60 meteors per hour, but it's also not freezing cold. But yeah, I saw some really good meteors, and I even got this fireball on camera. But yeah, really cool. So going into September, school started. Obviously that can be an issue sometimes, but oh yeah, Saturn's opposition. I got some pretty cool shots like this one, and Saturn is so cool through a telescope, especially like my Dobsonian. You can see the rings and even the Cassini gap on the night with good seeing. Yeah, Saturn is definitely my favorite planet to see through a telescope. So October was a very big month for astronomy. At the beginning of the month, there was Comet A3, Schuchen-Shan Atlas. I'm probably not saying that correctly, but that was by far the brightest comet of the year, and I could even see it with my bare eyes from the 12th to the 17th. But yeah, so awesome. I got some really good shots with me in it. I call that my self-portrait, and through my telescope. Yeah, but that was a really cool comet. So November was pretty quiet for the most part. Finally in December, I got this great shot of Jupiter. That was also Jupiter's opposition. And of course the year ended. But you didn't have to come here. But yeah, in conclusion, this year was just absolutely amazing for astronomy. Some really unforgettable stuff happened. So to end off the video, I'm going to be telling you guys about some projects I've been working on. So I'm currently working on a time-lapse of Jupiter's rotation, which will hopefully be done pretty soon. But I got a new MacBook for Christmas, so I'm going to be able to do some stacking with Registax, auto stacker, yeah, it's going to be good. And then in March, there's the total lunar eclipse, which hopefully I'll be able to get some cool data from that. And I've only ever seen one of those, which is in 2022, so I'm very excited. But yeah, guys, 2024 was just absolutely amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please understand that I'm absolutely horrible at talking on camera, and a lot of this took like 50 attempts. But yeah, have a good day. clear skies.